Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video this will serve you as a guide on how to get admissions in Al Qura University. So you're planning to school here and then getting admission, so you just want to check out regularly the official admission portal to confirm your chosen program is open to international or local applicants that you meet with the eligibility requirements, including academic qualification, age limits, and language proficiency. So once confirmed, create an account on the Al Qura University admission system. Carefully fill out the online application form, which is, of course, you can see on that website, and then upload all required documents such as academic transcript, certificates, passport or national ID, and if required, you can also officially translate it into Arabic. After submitting your application, regularly monitor the portal and email for updates, entrance exam, schedules, or interview notice. If shortlisted, complete any additional assessments and finalize your admission by accepting the offer and finally enrollment instruction within the given deadline to secure your slot.